And the next one we are gonna be talking about today is the wait, I need to pronounce it correctly. I also need to close there. Is the Skin Texture Pro 4. Guys, all right. Now let me give you just like a little bit of a quick foundation in regards to where all this NBP action comes from. What I really appreciate about the NBP actions is that this is an action created by another photographer, and that is why it is so unique, because it's created from another photographer who understands the perspective of another photographer. He understands what the photographer needs, what we struggle with, what is our challenge, what is gonna help you with a quicker workflow and stuff like that. Because this particular action we're gonna use now is for the lazy guys, because I can be lazy sometimes. Or let's not say you're lazy. Let's say you have a situation where you shoot in the morning with your client, but then your client wants your deliveries by afternoon, and you need to get the same quality close to what you would deliver if you had a longer delivery period, but you need to deliver as soon as you can. So now that's what we're gonna do, and this is what this action is for the NBP Skin Texture Pro 4. All right, so now I did edit. If you check the last episode, I did edit earlier on using the NBP frequency control, frequency Pro 2, and this is the result I got from using the NBP, and that took me about 15 minutes roughly. But now this is the same image, fresh image. All I've done here is just remove spots, blemishes here and there. And I'm gonna apply this action, and then I am gonna run my timer here. Let me see if this thing is gonna show, but you can see my timer. We're gonna have my timer here, and then we're gonna see what this can do. All right, so I'm gonna use my mouse. I'm not gonna make that mistake again. I'm gonna move my mouse, and then we're gonna click this and my timer at the same time to see how we're cooking it. So we're gonna go in 3, 2, 1, action. All right, so now we have the action. Guys, look, both my ends here. I'm not, you can see the timer running. I'm not doing anything. This is the action doing its magic. And we're gonna see how long it's gonna take to finish this. And then we're gonna compare it to the actual photo that I edited using frequency separation, which still works fine. But like I said, we comparing me and trusting the action. Yeah, we're comparing what the result looks like for both images. So basically, we're gonna compare my 15 minutes to whatever. Oh, stop! It's done. Guys, 46 seconds. Let me see. I hope you guys, I'm trusting that you guys can see this. Oh, there, 46 seconds. Guys, look at that. 46 seconds versus, guys, we're not gonna get technical. I'm not even gonna go into that. You can see my tab. That's what the action does. We're gonna get into that just now. But for now, I'm gonna close that tab. I'm gonna remove this. Oh wait, sorry. I forgot that's my base. And so this is 15 seconds. Let me just be. Oh, sorry. This is 45 seconds versus 15 minutes. Guys, 45 seconds versus 15 minutes. All right, so what we're gonna do now is, like, I'm trying not to freak out too much, because like this almost looks better than what I actually did, but yeah, this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. But just to show you the power of the action, the power of the Skin Texture Pro 4 in 40. I just want to be sure. I don't want to lie. 46 seconds. We have these from this to that. Like, guys, come on, this is amazing. This is amazing. And if you feel like, guys, this is so nice and soft, there's no over editing here. But if you feel like this is not working for you, it's very simple. All you have to do is, it's already masked. All you have to do is go to your brush, but keep both opacity and flat 100, and you just mask it out. Wait, let me see if I can. Boom. Not that I'll remove that, but like, so it's, yeah, basically you're just erasing. Let's say that you don't like the way that part was, you just remove it just like that. If it's the nose that is not looking right, you erase it. So as much as the action does the work for you, you still have control over what the final result is. And that's why you also have your layers. You can go into these layers and play with your contrast, adjust whatever you need to do, and you can see everything is maxed out. Like, because here at the hue uniformity, you can see that it's already select the skin tone. So whatever you adjust here, it's only going to affect the skin. It's not going to affect the hair or anything like that. Guys, tell me this is not thoughtful. Tell me why you don't want this. And like I said, if you want one of these actions, just check in my description, and I will see you on the next episode.